Alright, this is Wade. Wade, how's that property B? A little bit of the sanding floor again. The floor sanding, so here you go. So, I've pretty much got it all edged out. Just have to go up in the corners of each and get right in there. But it turned out pretty good. Still need to do a light sanding on the whole thing. But some boards need to be replaced still. But it looks pretty good. Some more work in front of the door. Kind of seems like some staining going on. I don't know if that's from the water or what, but edging pretty much turned out pretty good. Those need to be replaced. And the closets turned out really good. Like I said, just got to get the edges or the corners. So this here needs to be sanded a little bit more all the way throughout, from about here all the way back. And then this floor has yet to be done. It's kind of worked on a little bit, so okay. That'll be the end of this video for Property B. Bathroom. Kitchen. The window. Don did the trim for the window. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty good, so. Alright, well, that's the end of the video for this. I know it's not much, but it is what it is for now, so talk to you.